Do garage door openers need servicing? The answer is yes. Just like your car or home appliances, garage door openers need regular maintenance to work efficiently and safely. Over time, parts like chains, belts, or gears can wear out, and electrical components might become less reliable. Without proper servicing, small issues can escalate into major problems, potentially leaving you with a stuck garage door or even a safety hazard. Regular maintenance helps prevent these issues, extends the lifespan of your opener, and ensures your garage door operates smoothly year-round. So, how can you tell if your garage door opener needs servicing? There are some common signs to watch for. If the opener starts making unusual noises, like grinding or squeaking, it could mean the moving parts need lubrication or adjustment. A door that moves slower than usual, jerks during operation, or stops unexpectedly might also signal a problem. If your remote or wall switch isn't responding consistently, or the door reverses when it shouldn't, it's time to get it checked. Even if everything seems fine, it's wise to schedule regular servicing to catch potential issues early. Typically, servicing involves inspecting the motor, adjusting or tightening chains and belts, lubricating moving parts, and testing safety features like the sensors and reverse mechanism. A technician may also check the garage door's balance and the condition of the springs, as these directly affect how well the opener performs. While you can handle some basic maintenance, like cleaning the tracks and ensuring there's no debris, leave the more technical tasks to a professional to avoid damage or injury. As a general rule, you should have your garage door opener serviced at least once a year. If you use your garage door multiple times a day, consider scheduling maintenance every 6 months. Regular servicing not only ensures reliability but also helps protect your home and family by keeping the system safe and secure. By staying proactive, you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and enjoy peace of mind knowing your garage door is in top condition.